Your liver is one of the most hard-working organs in your body, quietly performing over 500 critical functions, from filtering toxins in your blood to helping digest food and store energy. But the tricky part? Liver problems rarely announce themselves early. Many liver diseases develop silently and only show symptoms when significant damage has already occurred. That's why knowing the early warning signs of liver trouble is so important. It could literally save your life. Let's take a close look at 7 silent signs that your liver might be in trouble, so you can recognize them early and get the help you need. 1. Yellowing of skin and eyes, jaundice. One of the most visible signs of liver trouble is jaundice, or yellowing of the skin and eyes. This happens when your liver can't properly process bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced when your body breaks down old red blood cells. Normally, the liver clears bilirubin out of your body through bile, but when the liver is impaired, bilirubin builds up in your blood and tissues, turning your skin and the whites of your eyes yellow. If you notice this yellow tint, especially if it appears suddenly or worsens, don't ignore it. Jaundice often signals that your liver is under serious stress and needs medical evaluation. 2. Unexplained fluid buildup, ascites and edema. Have you experienced sudden swelling in your belly or legs without any clear reason? This could be a sign of fluid retention caused by liver dysfunction. When your liver is damaged, it produces less albumin, a protein that helps keep fluid inside blood vessels. As a result, fluid leaks into your abdomen, causing bloating and discomfort, known as ascites, or pools in your legs and ankles, edema. Ascites can even make it hard to breathe or get comfortable while lying down. 3. Mental confusion and changes in behavior. Your liver and brain are connected more closely than you might think. When the liver can't filter toxins properly, harmful substances like ammonia build up in your bloodstream and eventually affect brain function. This condition, called hepatic encephalopathy, can cause confusion, memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, mood swings, and even sleep disturbances. 4. Persistent nausea, vomiting, and loss of appetite. Digestive troubles are another subtle but important sign of liver issues. When your liver is compromised, toxin buildup irritates your stomach and intestines. You may feel nauseous every day, vomit frequently, sometimes with bile, or lose your appetite altogether. Over time, this can lead to unintentional weight loss and malnutrition, which further weakens your body. 5. Dark urine and pale stools. Your urine and stool color can provide key clues about your liver health. Dark urine, often described as tea-colored or amber, may indicate excess bilirubin being expelled through your kidneys. On the other hand, pale or clay-colored stools happen when bile flow to your intestines is blocked or reduced. These changes can appear even before jaundice and often suggest bile duct obstruction or liver cell damage. Don't wait to get these symptoms checked. 6. Severe fatigue and weakness. Feeling extremely tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, can be frustrating and puzzling. In liver disease, fatigue is common because your liver's ability to store energy and detoxify your blood is impaired. Anemia, a frequent companion of chronic liver disease, also contributes to persistent weakness. If your usual activities start feeling like too much effort and your energy levels are crashing daily, it could be your liver signaling for help. 7. Easy bruising, bleeding, and itching. Your liver produces proteins essential for blood clotting. When it's failing, you might notice that you bruise easily or bleed excessively from minor injuries, like frequent nosebleeds or gum bleeding. This happens because clotting factors decrease as liver function declines. Additionally, many liver patients suffer from intense itching. This occurs when bile salts accumulate under the skin, irritating nerve endings and causing persistent pruritus, often worse at night. When should you seek help? If you recognize 2 or more of these symptoms in yourself or a loved one, especially jaundice, swelling, or mental confusion, it's time to consult a liver specialist immediately. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent further damage and improve quality of life. Remember, liver disease rarely makes a fuss in the beginning, but it demands attention when symptoms appear. Your liver doesn't call out for help loudly, but it sends subtle signals when it's struggling. Paying attention to these 7 silent signs could save you from life-threatening liver failure. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't delay. Seek professional medical advice and take steps to protect your liver health today.